May I have your lordship's leave to commence the proceedings?
Yes.
May I have your lordship's leave to read out the notifications issued by the Joint Secretary to the Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice, Appointment Section, New Delhi. To be published in the Gazette of India, Part 1, Section 2. F.number.K.13015 by 01 by 2025 US. Roman 2. Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice, Appointments Division, Jaisalmer House, 26 Mansingh Road, New Delhi, 110011, dated 23rd April 2025. Notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, the President is pleased to appoint Sri Justice Subhendu Samanta, Additional Judge of the Calcutta High Court, to be a judge of that High Court with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Signed by Jagannath Srinivasan, Joint Secretary to the Government of India. May I have your lordship's leave to read out the authorization made by the Honorable Governor of West Bengal in favor of the Honorable the Chief Justice of the High Court at Calcutta?
Yes.
Governor of West Bengal, order. By virtue of the power vested in me by Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, Dr. C.V. Ananda Bose, Governor of West Bengal, do hereby appoint Sri T.S. Shivagyanam, Honorable Chief Justice, Calcutta High Court, or any other senior-most Honorable Judge of Calcutta High Court, before whom Sri Justice Subhendu Samanta, Additional Judge of the Calcutta High Court, shall make and subscribe an oath or affirmation according to the form set out in Schedule 3 of the Constitution of India before he enters upon his office of a judge of the Calcutta High Court, signed by Dr. C.V. Ananda Bose, dated 23rd April 2025. May I have your lordship's leave to read out the warrant of appointment issued by Her Excellency the President of India? By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Sri Justice Subhendu Samanta, Additional Judge of the Calcutta High Court, to be a judge of the Calcutta High Court with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 23rd day of April in the year 2025, 3rd Vaishakha 1947 Saka, in the 76th year of the Republic of India, signed by the President of India. May I now most humbly request the Honorable Chief Justice to administer oath of office to the Honorable Justice Subhendu Samanta as Judge of the Honorable High Court at Calcutta.
I,
Subhendu Samanta,
having been appointed as Judge of the High Court at Calcutta,
having been appointed as Judge of the High Court at Calcutta,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of the India,
that I will duly and faithfully,
that I will duly and faithfully,
and to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment,
and to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws. 29.
28. 28. This one, same that.
Please.
May I request the Secretary, Bar Library Club, to deliver his speech?
My Lord the Chief Justice, my Lords, the Vice President of the Incorporated Law Society, the Vice President of the Bar Association, senior advocates, members of the registry, members of the bar, family members of Justice Samanta, ladies and gentlemen. It is a moment of personal pride for me to welcome Justice Samanta as a permanent judge of this honorable court. It is personal because Justice Samanta happens to be my batchmate. Of course, such moments have earlier arisen, and it is only an additional feather to the cap of our batch. My Lord, we have seen your lordships when lordship joined this court as an additional judge, and the transition from additional to permanence. Lord, we hope that has been eventful, and on behalf of the Bar Library Club and my members, I wish your lordship a fruitful journey, so long as my lord would be walking in the corridors of this court and discharging the duties as an honorable judge. May I extend my best wishes to your lordship, and I can assure your lordship on behalf of the bar, and in particular the Bar Library Club, that the bar shall extend its fullest cooperation to your lordship in dispensing justice and, my lord, in holding the flag of our institution high. Thank you.
May I request the Vice President of Bar Association to deliver his speech?
Honorable the Chief Justice, honorable judges, President and Secretary of Bar Library Club, Vice President of Incorporated Law Society, member of Registry, learned senior advocates, member of the bar, and family members of my Lord Justice Samanta. I have both pleasure and privilege to greet and welcome Honorable Justice Subhendu Samanta on his present appointment as permanent judge of this High Court. Honorable Justice Subhendu Samanta is becoming permanent judge of the High Court is like a dewdrop on petal on rose. This is the first shining dewdrop at the threshold of the forthcoming longest summer. We are awaiting for 9 more. In this unusual weather-beaten way-worn month of April, we have bidden a farewell to shortened spring, and this elevation of his lordship has touched us deep with a pertinently blowing solo of soothing cool breeze amongst this August summer. I unswervingly congratulate his lordship on your conjoining the ranks in the High Congregation of Justices. I am offering hearty greetings and good wishes to Honorable Justice Subhendu Samanta on his appointment as permanent judge. I have been appearing before his lordships since his lordship took oath as an additional judge on May 2022. And I must inform this august gathering that his lordship's judgments have been already made a mark of their beauty of expression. I am fortunate to be part of few of those already. I solemnly expect his lordship's varied experience in different disciplines of law would bring you eminence as a judge of this court. We are doubly sure that your lordship would remember that what Socrates said, 4 things belong to a judge: to hear courteously, to answer wisely, to consider soberly, and to decide impartially. We are sure that true to the constitutional oath his lordship just now took in striving to interpret and uphold the constitution, your lordship would give voice to silences, clarification to ambiguities, and content to omissions. Virtue alone is unreading sign of a noble soul. Blessings ever wait on virtuous deeds. As a representative of one of the largest bar associations of the country, I have immense pride in extending your lordship a warm welcome.
May I request the Vice President of Incorporated Law Society to deliver his speech.
My Lord the Chief Justice, my lords, the office bearers and members of the three wings of the bar, the officials of this honorable court, the family members and friends of Justice Samanta, and my friends present in court. My Lord Justice Samanta, we just welcomed you the other day in May 2022 as an additional judge of this honorable court. Today, we are happy to welcome you as a permanent judge of this honorable court. Taking this oath is a solemn and serious moment, and it is an absolute privilege to stand here today as we witness a long overdue moment. It also marks the beginning of a new chapter for you. Judge's role is no small feat. It demands integrity, wisdom, fairness, patience, and appreciable paperwork, all of which we have witnessed in you in your function as an additional judge of this honorable court. We are confident that you will maintain your pursuit with humility and fairness. We once again congratulate you, my lord, and on behalf of the members of the Incorporated Law Society, extend a warm welcome to you, my lord.
May I now most humbly request the Honorable Justice Subhendu Samanta to address the House.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Judges on dais, Honorable Judges on virtual mode, Learned President Secretary of Bar Library Club, Learned President and Secretary of Bar Association, Learned President and Secretary of Incorporated Law Society, Learned Members of the Bar, Learned Registrar General and members of Registry, and Secretary of the Honorable the Chief Justice. Today is a remarkable day of my life. I would like to convey my sincere gratitude to the Honorable Judges of Supreme Court Collegium for making me permanent. I also convey my sincere gratitude to Honorable Justice Dipankar Datta and Honorable Justice Joyamallo Bagchi for their extensive support. I convey my gratitude to the Honorable Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court. I have never seen such an extraordinary gentleman with such a pure soul. He was there for me from the beginning. Thank you, Chief. I also convey my sincere gratitude to the Honorable Judges of the Collegium of this High Court, especially Honorable Justice Soumen Sen and Honorable Justice Tapobrata Chakraborty for their active cooperation at the crucial point of time when I need it most. Thank you, Justice Sen. Thank you, Justice Chakraborty. I also convey my gratitude to my colleagues, brothers, and sisters judges. During the entire period, I felt their continuous support and cooperation. I also convey my sincere thanks to the member of the bar for their continuous support and cooperation in discharging my judicial functions. Your happiness multiplies when those around you are genuinely happy to see you succeed. It is evident that most of the members of the bar, including the senior advocates, are genuinely happy for my permanent status. Thanks a lot to all of you, sirs. Today, I remember my father, late Mrinal Kanti Samanta, and mother, late Chanchola Rani Samanta, who might have been the happiest person in the world for my success. Baba, Ma, wherever you are, please take my pranam. I confess today it is impossible for me to stand alone in the turmoil of life without the support of my family members, my wife Luna and my son Sanket. They have always been there for me like a warrior, and might not have reached to this podium without the inspiration and rock solid support from Luna. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with me. Friends are always an integral part of life. I am lucky to have some friends over here to celebrate my success in spite of their respective busy schedule. Thank you very much. Your gracious presence has truly elevated the spirit of this occasion. Lastly, I extend my heartfelt thanks to the speakers and the members of the bar. It is truly your presence that has made the occasion grand success. Thank you once again.
May I have the leave of your lordship to declare the proceedings as concluded? The proceedings are hereby declared as concluded.